a lot of time the problem that we are facing is not because of what's happening outside of our life. It's mostly because what's happening inside. We tend to think that by overlooking the reality of what's happening, things will just somehow solve themselves. But all it takes is for us to sit down and truly examine our life. When was the last time that you have told yourself, it's me? We think that by ignoring the reality, somehow things will just become better. But no, 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 no. It's time for you to examine exactly what's happening in your life. And because of us not examining our life, we tend to believe that what has happened, it's the norm. And this is how it's supposed to happen. Is it it? Does it have to be like this? Do you have to suffer so much pain just because you believe in something? Well, I tell you one thing, and this is, I hope that you get something out of it. But I'm telling you one thing. It's not you, it's not me, it's not the people around you. It's nobody's. It's no one's. Your reality is all up to your brain. How it gets formed and it gets shaped, it's not because of the circumstances around you. It's because of the choices that you have made for yourself. So how are you going to make the next choice? How are you going to make the next move? How are you going to make the next jump? And where will you take it? This is the question that you should ask yourself. This is the question that you should really examine. Think about it. Take a night or two and see where is it that you are right now? Where is it you want to go? And it's not impossible. If somebody told you that's impossible, I'm here to tell you it's not impossible. It's doable. And you can do it. Just take one step. That's all it takes.